Today, we're packing our bags and hitting the road for an adventure-filled car camping trip. But before we set off, let's make sure we're equipped with the coolest gadgets and accessories to make our experience unforgettable. So buckle up and get ready to explore 7 amazing car camping gadgets. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. The Rough Country Rooftop Tent isn't just another sleeping bag under the stars. It's an elevated camping experience that combines convenience, comfort, and durability. Built with heavy-duty 600D Oxford ripstop fabric and a lightweight 420D Oxford ripstop rainfly extension, this tent is ready to face the elements. It provides excellent UV protection and can withstand harsh weather conditions, keeping you dry and comfortable throughout your adventure. Don't be fooled by its compact design. This tent comfortably sleeps up to 3 adults on its queen-sized 2-inch thick high-density foam mattress. The spacious interior allows you to stretch out, relax, and enjoy the breathtaking views from your rooftop haven. This tent is built for adventure. It mounts securely to your existing roof rack, transforming your vehicle into a mobile campsite. Whether you're exploring rugged terrains or seeking scenic overlooks, the Rough Country Rooftop Tent lets you camp comfortably anywhere your wheels can take you. Staying hydrated is crucial for any outdoor adventure, and the Dometic Go Hydration Water Jug is your reliable companion on the journey. With a generous 11-liter capacity, this jug ensures you have enough water for extended trips or group outings. The wide 63mm Nalgene-style opening makes filling and cleaning a breeze, while the removable webbed carry handles offer comfortable transportation. This jug is constructed with robust and durable materials that can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Whether you're camping, hiking, or exploring off-road, the Dometic Go Hydration Water Jug can take a beating. The jug features built-in tie-down guides, allowing you to secure it to your vehicle or campsite with ease, preventing accidental spills or damage during travel. The Dometic Go Hydration Water Jug is more than just a container for water. It's a thoughtfully designed product that prioritizes your hydration needs and outdoor experiences. With its combination of durability, functionality, and versatility, it's a valuable addition to any outdoor gear collection. The Snow Peak Tebi Fire and Grill isn't just a fire pit. It's a culinary and social centerpiece for your outdoor adventures. Crafted from high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel, the Tebi Fire and Grill is built to withstand the test of time. It's a lifetime investment that can endure countless campfires and backyard gatherings. This fire pit folds down to a compact size, making it easy to transport and store. The included carrying case provides added convenience, allowing you to take the Tebi Fire and Grill wherever your adventures lead. The Tebi Fire and Grill boasts a modular design that allows for customization and versatility. Use it as a simple fire pit for warmth and ambiance, or add the included grill bridge and net to transform it into a portable cooking station. This flexibility makes it perfect for everything from backyard barbecues to campsite feasts. The intuitive design of the Tebi Fire and Grill ensures hassle-free setup and use. The foldable components assemble quickly, and the ventilated baseplate promotes efficient airflow for optimal burning. Forget the days of lukewarm dribbles and gravity-dependent showers. The Nemo Helio LX pressure shower brings a revolution in camp cleanliness, offering a powerful and convenient showering experience even in the great outdoors. Unlike traditional gravity showers, the Helio LX utilizes a foot pump to pressurize the 5.8-gallon tank, delivering a strong, continuous spray for up to 7 to 10 minutes. This means you can finally wash your hair, rinse off dishes, clean muddy gear, or even pamper your furry companion with a proper shower, all without sacrificing pressure. The precise folding design of the Helio LX allows for lightning-fast setup and breakdown. Simply unfold the tank, fill it with water, and pump it up using the foot pump. No more struggling with complicated structures or flimsy poles. Enjoy a refreshing warm shower after a long day of adventure. The black tank absorbs heat from the sun, gradually warming the water for a comfortable showering experience. Alternatively, you can fill the tank with hot water for an immediate warm shower, making it ideal for cooler weather conditions. Forget the days of bulky ice coolers and soggy food. The Dometic CFX 345 powered cooler is a revolutionary innovation that brings powerful and efficient refrigeration to your outdoor adventures. Its advanced VMSO3 compressor technology effortlessly refrigerates or deep freezes down to a chilling -7 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your food and drinks stay perfectly preserved, regardless of the outside temperature. This cooler isn't just about performance, it's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The heavy-duty yet lightweight exoframe construction provides exceptional durability against bumps and impacts, while the aluminum alloy handles offer comfortable and secure carrying. Embrace sustainable cooling with the CFX 345. It boasts versatile power options, allowing you to operate it using AC, DC, or even solar power. This flexibility makes it perfect for car camping, off-grid adventures, or even backyard gatherings. Additionally, the built-in 3-stage dynamic battery protection system prevents accidental battery drain, ensuring you have enough power for the entire trip. Imagine a restful night's sleep under the stars without leaving the comfort of your car. The Luno XRD air mattress makes this dream a reality, offering unmatched comfort and convenience for your car camping adventures. The Luno fits more than 4,000 vehicles, ensuring a seamless and secure fit within your car's cargo space. This eliminates gaps and uneven surfaces, providing a level and comfortable sleeping platform. This air mattress prioritizes your comfort. Its innovative grid design and supportive O-beams conform to your body's contours, minimizing pressure points and ensuring a restful sleep. Additionally, the dual-valve system allows you to adjust the firmness on each side for personalized comfort, catering to individual preferences. The Luno XRD comfortably sleeps 2 adults, offering ample space to stretch out and relax. Whether you're a solo adventurer or sharing the experience with a companion, this air mattress provides the perfect sleeping haven for a rejuvenating night's rest. Imagine having access to reliable power even when you're off the grid. The BioLite BaseCharge 600 is your versatile power solution, providing clean and efficient energy for your car camping adventures, home emergencies, or DIY projects. Don't be fooled by its size. The BaseCharge 600 packs a punch with a 622 watt-hour capacity, offering enough power to charge laptops, tablets, phones, cameras, lights, routers, and more. It's like having a wall outlet readily available, even in remote locations. Unlike traditional generators, the BaseCharge 600 operates silently and fume-free. This makes it ideal for campsites, sensitive environments, or even indoor use during power outages, ensuring a peaceful and healthy experience. Despite its impressive power capacity, the BaseCharge 600 is surprisingly compact and lightweight. This portability makes it easy to transport and store, taking up minimal space in your vehicle or home. Additionally, it boasts 25% more power than common midsize models without any added weight or bulk, making it an efficient and user-friendly choice. The BaseCharge 600 offers flexible charging options to suit your needs. Recharge it from the wall, your car's 12 volts outlet, or pair it with the BioLite Solar Panel 100 to create a fully independent solar generator system. This versatility ensures you have access to power, regardless of your location or available resources. So there you have it. These 7 amazing car camping gadgets and accessories are sure to elevate your next outdoor adventure. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know which gadget you're most excited to try on your next car camping trip. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more outdoor adventure content.